Hi everybody, I'm Ashish Lalwani, Manager of Sales, Texture Properties, Dubai. Welcome to Texture Properties, Dubai. We all know the first place clients go when looking for a new home is online. You may know someone who has a powerful personal brand who you always regard or recognize as an expert in regards to the online presence. In today's day and age, every real estate professional like you needs to be that person. Our online presence represents a set of expectations, memories, stories, and relationships that taken together account for customers' decision to choose a property. If not, then they choose you as their trustworthy property advisor. Talking about online presence, we are well aware of the different platforms we use to promote ourselves in social media and other digital strategies like SEOs, blogs, etc. Today I'm going to talk about enhancing this presence using augmented reality and virtual reality. What is augmented reality? This technology superimposes an image on the user's view of the real world. Augmented reality keeps the real world focus and just adds elements to enhance the user's experience. Just imagine we as real estate professionals are able to give an interactive experience to our prospects of a property. From making a walkthrough to changing the mood lightings in a villa to a sunrise tour to sunset tour of a property. The potential of augmented reality is endless. It's only a matter of time before this technology becomes a part of our everyday lives. And mind you, this is not difficult. It is as easy as clicking pictures of a property. What is virtual reality? Virtual reality has dominated tech headlines in recent years with its ability to immerse its users in a virtual yet safe world. While VR has been adopted for training in military, sports, medical, and educational fields, just imagine if we as real estate professionals are able to give a site visit using VR for a client sitting in any part of the world. Until yesterday, virtual reality had been something of a fantasy for storytellers and technology, while if we apply today in our professions, it will definitely enhance our online presence. A video can give one sight and sound. Suppose now I add taste, smell, touch, and interaction on the go. Technologies might still be working on smell and taste, but you can still make a dream come true. Although COVID brought us numerous crises in many spheres, it has also accelerated the use of technologies by at least 5 years forward. The pandemic taught us a lot of great life lessons that include new approaches for business meetings and try to resolve things in a quicker manner. Efficiency is the new future, and that is how many markets will operate in the future. Our real estate is one of the industries that use technologies in the interface broadly for investors, sellers, and brokers, whether it's for selling homes on the internet or initiating new ways for its home buyers and investors alike. Melzo is one platform where you could combine augmented reality and virtual reality in simple steps to elevate your online presence to the next level. Texture Properties and Melzo have created a unique platform to showcase the region's first virtual property expo. This expo platform will give immersive experience of VR, AR, and also AI. The high-tech generated simulation or recreation of real-life environment or situation immerses the user by stimulating their vision, hearing, and interactiveness, thereby creating engaging effects for the viewer. The main USP of this expo is as follows. Number 1, a 3D guided property experience. Number 2, one stall, multiple properties. Third, expo at fingertips. Fourth, reality of your imagination. Fifth, being local, selling global. Sixth, show it to others for guidance. Within this expo, the visitors would be able to interact with the brokers in real time, be it through WhatsApp messaging or instant video call. We may also incorporate instant Uber Careem service for pickup and drop to the site visit or developer's office visits free of cost for local visitors. With your support, we would like to be able to launch this expo in multiple regions. So guys, let's come together, collaborate with us in this futuristic event to make the most of it in the new normal environment. Contact me for more info. This is Ashish Lalwani, Texture Properties, Dubai. Thank you.